A bot is a computer program powered by artificial intelligence that simulates and processes human conversation, allowing us to interact with digital devices as though we were communicating with a real person. They span varying capabilities, some being automated answers to simple queries, and others being digital assistants that learn and evolve to personalize as they process information. Hey guys, it's Hannah here from Neighbourhood, where we help brands find, sell and keep their people. Brands who leverage chatbots do so not only to keep up with the times, but to see sales improvement, customer satisfaction and increased revenue. Some cool and innovative chatbots that have blessed the search space as of late are the set of chatbots publisher HarperCollins instated on Facebook Messenger called Epic Reads and Book Genie, which make recommendations for interesting books based on the information the user gives. Another is Starbucks chatbot, My Starbucks Barista, which translates complicated orders into contextual language the staff understand. It's clear to see that chatbots were created to connect with customers on a personal level without the expense of human representatives. Chatbots provide an alternative to written FAQs or guides, as they can hand customers off to a live person if the issue becomes too complex for the chatbot to resolve. Unlike the digitally repressed days of old, with chatbots, a business can scale, personalize, and be proactive 24/7. So let's dive into 4 reasons chatbots are a salesperson's next biggest ally. First off, by feeding them a set of general keywords and frequently asked questions, chatbots can help qualify leads that are likely to convert to ease the burden on the lives of your sales team. Chatbots can also assist in the lead generation process by being equipped with a lead magnet, like an ebook or details of a webinar, to attract the attention of visitors when they ask a question. For example, a visitor to a fashion website might ask their chatbot, "Which jeans would best fit me?" To which the chatbot could automatically respond with a downloadable link to one of their company sizing guides. If you enjoy this video, be sure to subscribe and leave a like. And if you're on YouTube, make sure you hit that bell so you can stay up to date on all our latest videos delivered every week to your inbox. Next up, to operate as a well-oiled machine, your sales personnel need extensive knowledge of the market and individual customer insights. But as you can likely imagine, this isn't really a job that can be done overnight. In overcoming this issue, chatbots simplify things and fetch valuable data about your customers' interests, their questions, their pain points, and so on. With all of this data in front of them, the sales team is ready and raring to go, understanding the lead's desires and problems, making their efforts to close a sale more personalized, relevant, and successful. Thirdly, success in sales relies enormously on your CRM data. This is where all of the interactions you and your chatbots have had with prospects are recorded and used later on in accomplishing a sale. Make it look like you have the best memory of any busy salesperson ever by referring to chat logs when closing deals, so you can pull out pertinent data and previous interactions in a flash. Likewise, linking your chatbots to your CRM software can work to propagate streamlined follow-ups with prospective customers. We lead busy lives. Sometimes opportunities pass us by, but not with chatbots. When your sales process is hooked up with this machine learning, you can ensure a systemized follow-up routine is in place. So there you have it. Chatbots are their name and sales and customer service is their game. By increasing your response time and decreasing the conversion time, chatbots are the bee's knees in increasing your sales productivity and ultimately your business success. If you found this video helpful, then feel free to share it with someone you know that needs a hand with closing sales. You can also subscribe to our blog, where you'll find a bunch more tools, tips, and templates to help you find, sell, and keep your people, just like Neighbourhood does. Well, that's it from me. Happy marketing.